everyone. As you already know that the different departments of the company have the different workflow and its setting. So to understand the importance of the Alian Hub company and its settings, let's walk on my screen and I will guide you with the settings options. Everyone, in this video, let's have a look at the Alian Hub settings on how we can make necessary changes and personalize your account companies and projects. On the screen, you can see the dashboard of the Alian Hub. From the top right, click on your profile. In the drop-down, select Settings. Two sections will be shown in the settings: Company Settings and Personal Settings. In Company Settings, you can make changes in the company profiles and projects. You can edit the company name, contact number, locations such as country, cities and state, and date format. Now let me show you how to edit those details. Let's start with the company name first. Let's change to Alien Software. Then phone number. Then select the country, city and state from here. Now you can select your preferred date format. Let's select this one. From here, you can also upload an image like this. Now click on Save Changes. Now you can see the company details updated successfully. In the next video, we will go through all the member settings and project settings. Now, let's have a look on the personal settings. You can make changes in your personal detail as well from here. You can upload your image, edit your name, time zone, time format, email, etc. from here. You can also create your own company from this. Click on Add New and create the company by filling all the required details such as company name, phone number, country, state, city and images. Let's fill them one by one. Let's add a company to a company one name. Add phone number. Select the country. Let's select India. State. Then city. From here, you can upload an image. Once all the details are filled, click on the Save button. Now you can see the company one is generated successfully. From here, notification, you can edit the permission from notification. Alien Hubs allow receiving notification from three means: browser, mobile and email. Marking the receiving type of notification for the project and task, you will get notified with that means. Just like this. You can mark on this email. So this is how you can create your own and personal settings in this Alian Hub. If you have any question or queries, then feel free to reach out to us via below comment section. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.